Welcome to High Info E-Club. Today I'm going to show you how to create Discord server. Let's start. Click the plus mark. In here you can create server using template or you can make your own. I use create my own to create the server. In here you can choose what you want. I use for a club or community. In here type your server name. Click here to upload your server image, and then click the create button. Well done, you create Discord server. Click here to invite your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get new updates. Have a good day. See you guys in the next video.